Removing and replacing the oven burner. Begin by using a 5/16 inch nut driver to remove the two screws that are securing the igniter to the burner. Once released, gently lay the igniter aside. Remove the front screw that's securing the burner and its bracket to the oven. With the screw removed, simply lift the bracket and burner out of the oven. Insert the new burner in the same position as the original. Be sure that the burner is correctly placed over the orifice for the oven valve. Once in place, reinstall the bracket and screw to secure it. With the burner secured, reinstall the igniter. When reinstalling the igniter, it's important to use care and avoid touching the ceramic part of the igniter that gets hot. This can cause harm or reduce its lifespan.